You searched how to buy shares of Weir Group, so let's walk through it. Weir Group is an industrial engineering company listed on LSE PLC under ticker WEIR.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account to proceed. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WEIR.L. Select the result that lists Weir Group on the London Stock Exchange to ensure you have the correct share. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the listing shows Weir Group on LSE PLC before moving forward. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the platform will indicate that and may queue or schedule your order. If you lack sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, check the description below.